Hi everyone, and welcome to UploadWP. My name is Andrew Watts, and in this WordPress tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Hi and welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how we can create this e-commerce using a plugin called WooCommerce. So we will learn how we can add top bar and add some social media, how to add menus in the header. We will add a logo. We will create products like this one. Okay, so this is the product page. We will also have related products. If you go back, we will learn how to add widgets in the sidebar and in the footer. If you go to the contact page, we will learn how to add an image, a title, a text, and a contact form. Okay, so this is a basic WooCommerce tutorial on how you can create e-commerce. First, we want to have a web hosting and a domain. So if you don't have that yet, you can go to bluehost.com. And you will get a web hosting and a free domain for $3.49 per month. You get the free site builders, one-click WordPress installer, 24/7 support. And I will leave a link below if you want to buy this. Okay, so let's start to build the e-commerce. Okay, so this is how the website looks after you have installed WordPress. Now we want to add the plugin WooCommerce. So go to my site, click on dashboard, go down to plugins, click on add new. Go to the search plugins bar, type in WooCommerce, click on enter. Okay, so we want to have this one, WooCommerce excelling e-commerce. Click on install now. Go to activate plugin. Okay, so here you can go and set up the WooCommerce, but we will do this later, so I will choose not right now. Okay, so now the WooCommerce is installed. You will find it here in the admin panel. Here we can see orders, coupons, reports, settings, system status, add-ons. And here we have our products. So products, add product, categories, tags, shipping classes, and attributes. Okay, so now we want to install a WooCommerce theme called Storefront. To do this, we go to Appearance, choose Themes. Go to Add New. Search for Storefront. Okay, so here we have the Storefront theme. Just click on install. Choose activate. Okay, so the storefront is installed. We can go to my website. Okay, so now the website looks more like an e-commerce store. This is how you install WooCommerce plugin and how you install the Storefront theme. Up next, we will change the site title and the tagline. We will also install a plugin so we can upload a logo in the header. In this WooCommerce tutorial part 2, we will learn how you can change the site title, the tagline, how to install a plugin so we can add a logo here in the header. So to do this, we go to Customize. You find it up here. You can also find it if you go to your dashboard, go to Appearance and Customize. Go to Site Identity. Here we can change the site title. So this will describe your e-commerce for the search engines. This e-commerce will be about beauty products. And you can choose a tagline. I will describe what I'm selling. I'm selling day cream, night cream, like that. Okay. Then we want to have a site icon. The site icon can be, if you go to the browser, and you will see this image. So we will go and select image. And because this is a brand new e-commerce store, we don't have any images in the media library. Then we have to go to Upload Files, click on Select Files. Okay, so if you know what images you're gonna use, you can upload them at once. So I will use all of these images in this WooCommerce tutorial. Click on Choose. Wait for them to upload. Now the logo is uploaded. So just click on the logo, choose a title. I want to have my site title text. Also add this text in the alt text. This is good for search engines. Click on Select. Okay, so the site icon will also end up here. You can choose what you want to show in the site icon. You can also make it smaller, like that. Okay, so we want to have this crop. Click on Crop Image. Go to Save and Publish. Now we have the beauty product shop title and the day cream, night cream. Click on X. Now we have the beauty product shop site title. We also have the tagline, day cream and night cream. If you want to have a logo up here in the header, we have to install a plugin called Storefront Site Logo. So go to Dashboard, go down to Plugins, click on Add New. Go to the search bar, type in Storefront Site Logo, hit Enter. Go to Storefront Site Logo, click on Install Now. Activate plugin. Go to Appearance, click on Customize. Choose Branding. Select Image. So select your logo. Click on Choose Image. Now we can choose if you want to show title and tagline like this, or only logo like this, or logo, image and tagline like this. Then we have the logo and the tagline. I want to have the logo image only. Click on Save and Publish. Click on X. Go back to the website. Okay, so now we have a logo instead of the site title and the tagline. This is how you change your site title, your tagline, how you install a plugin called Storefront Site Logo, so you can upload a logo to your header. Up next, we are going to add a primary menu and a secondary menu. In this WooCommerce tutorial part 3, we will set up a main menu and a secondary menu. We will set up the WooCommerce pages like cart, checkout page and my account manually. So to do this, go to Dashboard, go to Pages, click on All Pages. So this sample page, we click on Trash, go to Add New. Okay, so first we want to have Shop, click on Publish, then click on Add New. Now we want to have My Account. To make this as a WooCommerce page, we have to go to Text and type in jump forward. You do this with Alt and 8. Type in WooCommerce underline my underline account. Then jump backwards, Alt 9. Then go to Publish. Click on Add New. Type in cart. Do the same thing. Type in Alt 8 WooCommerce underline cart. Alt 9. Click on Publish. Go to Add New. Now we want to have the checkout page. Type in Alt 8 WooCommerce underline checkout, then Alt 9. Click on Publish. Okay, so now we have set up the WooCommerce pages for the web shop. Okay, so these pages you must have to make your e-commerce work. Now we can set up some other pages. So click on Add New. We want to have a blog. Just click on publish. Click on add new. We want to have a contact page. Click on publish. Go to add new. We also want to have terms and conditions. Click on publish. Add new. Customer service. Publish. Click on add new again. And about page. It's great to have. Click on publish. Okay, so all the pages is set up. So what we need to do now is to go to appearance. Click on menus. Create a menu. So we will start with the primary menu. Click on create menu. Choose primary menu. And if you want to have this mobile friendly, choose handheld menu. You can only choose one menu for this mode. Click on save menu. Go over here and choose the pages you want to show in the primary menu. We want to have shop, blog, contact, terms and conditions, my account, then go to add to menu. Okay, so we have the pages in place. Now we want to reorder the positions. So we want to have the shop to be first, then the blog, then terms and conditions, my account, and then the contact page. Click on save menu. Then we want to create the secondary menu. Click on create a new menu. Name the menu. Then click on create menu. Choose the pages you want to have in the secondary menu. So we want to have about us, customer service, checkout, cart. Click on add to menu. Okay, so the pages are in place. Let's reorder them. We want to have checkout, cart, customer service, and about us. Then click on secondary menu. Go to save menu. Okay, so this is how you create the menu. Now we have to go to WooCommerce. Click on settings. Go to products, and we can edit the settings right now. So choose the measurements for your products. Choose the dimensions unit. Reviews, product ratings. If you want to enable ratings on reviews, ratings are required to leave a review. Show verify owner label for customers' reviews. Only allow reviews from verified owners. Okay, then go to display. So this one we want to set up shop page. Select the page. Select shop. Okay. Then you can choose shop page display, show products, show categories and subcategories, show both. We want to have show products. default category display, show products, show subcategories, show both. Default product sorting, so this controls the default sort order of the catalog. You can choose one of these. Add to cart behavior, redirect to the cart page after successful additions. Enable Ajax add to cart buttons on archives. Here you can choose product images. Choose the size of the catalog images. Choose single product image, product thumbnails, product image gallery. If you want to enable lightbox for product images or not, click on Save Changes. Then we want to go to Inventory. Here you can manage stock, enable stock management, hold stock for 60 minutes or less or more. Notifications, enable low stock notifications. You will be notified if your stock is low. Enable out of stock notifications. You will be notified if you are out of stock. Enter your email here, where you want to have the notifications. Okay. Choose when you want to have the notifications. If you only have 2 left, out of stocks when you have 0 left. If you are out of stock, you can hide the products from the catalog. Here you can choose stock display format. Click on Save Changes. And this is for downloadable products only. Okay, so this is the products setup. Then we go to checkout. Here, if you want to enable the use of coupons, calculate coupons, discounts sequentially, checkout, enable guest checkout, force secure checkout. And here we want to change the checkout pages. So this one is the cart. Just select our cart page. This is the checkout page. Select our checkout page. And the terms and conditions. Select our terms and conditions page. And this is just some checkout endpoints. And this is the payment setup. So we will set up this later. Click on Save Changes. Go to Accounts. So here we want to select my account page. So choose my account. And this is my account endpoints. Here you can choose registration options. Enable registration on the checkout page. Enable registration on my account page. Display returning customer login reminder on the checkout page. And here you can change account creation. Click on Save Changes. This is the setup for our main menu. Now the pages are set up, so go back to the website. Now we have the primary menu, shop. So this is the place where your products will end up. We have the blog, terms and conditions, my account, contact. And here in the secondary menu we have checkout, cart, customer service and about us. If we click on cart, we will come to the cart and checkout page. Make sure that this is a cart too. Go to my account. So everything looks all right. So this is how you set up a primary menu and the secondary menu. Also how you set up WooCommerce pages manually, like a checkout page, cart page, my account page, and the shop page. Up next, we are going to learn how you can add products in your WooCommerce store. In this WooCommerce tutorial part 4, we will learn how you can add products to your shop. To do this, go to Dashboard, and under Products we can add products, categories, tags, shipping classes, attributes. So first we want to create categories. So this will be a facial beauty category. Then copy this. Then paste it in here. This is a URL friendly text. Go down to display type. You can choose products. You can also add an image. So we will have this facial image. Click on use image. Click on add new product category. Then we can add another one. So body beauty. Copy the text and add to slug. Choose products. Choose a thumbnail. Click on use image. Add new product category. Okay, so now we have body beauty and facial beauty. Then we can go to add product. First add your title, then we're gonna add your description. Go down and add a short product description. So this is a preview of the product in the gallery. Go up, choose the category. You can add a product tag. Click on add. Choose a product image. Click on set product image. You can also add the products to gallery. Click on add to gallery. You can add more. Click on add to gallery. Then go up. Up here we can choose product data. If you want to have a simple product, this is with no attributes. We can enter general information. You can add SKU. This is the identification number for the article. So we can add this to 1001. Set a price to 45. You can also add a sales price to 40. You can make this schedule. Let's say you want to have this starting at Monday and end on Friday. Okay, so this sales price will start at Monday and end on Friday. Then go to inventory, choose manage stock. If you check this, you can add how many products you have in stock. We have 15. If you want to allow back orders, do not allow, allow but notify customer, allow. So we will choose do not allow, in stock, out of stock. If you want to enable this to only allow one of these items to be bought in a single order, we will not check this. Then go to shipping, add weight to the product, choose the dimensions, if you want to have shipping classes, you have to go to save drafts, then you can go to shipping classes. So shipping classes can be used to group products of similar type. These groups can then be used by certain shipping methods to provide different rates to different products. If you want to use this, just put a name, use a URL friendly version, and add new shipping class. We will not use this, so we will go back to our product. Then we want to go to linked products. Choose if you want to have upsells. This is when they view a product, you can add another product. Cross sales, you can show products when they viewing their cart. You can choose grouping. Set this option to make this product part of a grouped product. Go to attributes. So this is if you want to have different colors or different sizes. Let's say we want to have different flavors on our body butter. We want to have mango and strawberry. Then you click on add, type in the name, flavor, choose the flavor. So we want to have mango, and separate with Alt 7. Choose another flavor. We want to have strawberry. Click on save attributes. Go and change the product data to variable product. Go to attributes, unbox this one and check this one, used for variations. Click on save attributes. Go to variations, click on add variation, choose a flavor, mango, then click on add variation, then we will choose strawberry. Then we have to go to set this, click on the arrow, choose the price, sales price if you have that, click on manage stock, special stock quantity for this strawberry product 15, allow back orders, do not allow, in stock the weight is already set, shipping class same as parent. Click on save changes. Do the same thing with mango. Then we can go to advanced. Here you can add a note that the buyer will get after they bought an item from you. Here you can custom ordering position. You can enable reviews. Okay, so this is all we have to do right now. Then we go to publish. Go to the website. Go to shop. Then we can go to select options. Okay, so here we have the product. We have the image. We have the product gallery. If you click here, we can go and have a look at the pictures. Close this. We have the title, the price, the short description. Here we have the attributes, flavor. If you click on mango, we have 18 in stock. If you go to strawberry, we have 15 in stock. The category, body beauty, tag, body butter. We have the full product description, also the additional information. This is the weight and the size. We have no reviews yet. Okay, so this is how you set up your products in your WooCommerce store. Up next, we're going to add widgets in sidebar and in footer. We will also change the color of the add to cart button. In this WooCommerce tutorial, part 5, we will learn how you can add widgets in the sidebar and in the footer. As you can see, I have added some extra products to fill this e-commerce up. We can just do one more thing with this. We can change the colors of this read more button or add to cart, select options. To do this, go to customize, go to buttons, choose background color. We want to have red. You can choose text colors, alternate button background color, and alternate button text color. Then click on save and publish. Click on X. Okay, so now we have a red button. Now we want to add widgets here in the sidebar. Then go to dashboard. Go down to appearance, choose widgets. And here are all the available widgets we want to use. Here you can choose all of these WooCommerce widgets. We can use product categories. Click on sidebar and add widget. You can show this as a drop down, product counts, hierarchy, only show children of the current category. We want to have this one. Click on save. Then we want to have a WooCommerce cart. Click on add widget. We want to have a price filter. Add widget. We can choose WooCommerce products. Add widget. We can also choose recently viewed. Add widget. Okay, so now we can edit the title. Same goes with the filter. Here you can choose product title, how many products you want to show. Show all products, featured products, on sale products, order by date, and this how you want to have them ordered. Hide free products, show hidden products. WooCommerce recently viewed, title, and how many number of products to show. Okay. And don't forget to save when you change a widget. Now we will delete the old example widgets. Yes, click on the arrow, choose delete. Do the same thing with all of these. Okay, so now we have the sidebar set up. Now we can add a menu to the footer. So just choose footer 1, 2, 3 or 4. We want to have number 2. Click on add widget. Choose the title. Select the menu. We want to have the secondary menu. Click on save. Then we want to have contact information. Just click on this text, choose footer 1, add widget. You can choose contact us. Add your contact information, your address, your city, email, phone number, like that. You also have to make this HTML code less than BR greater than to change the line. Let's copy this, paste it after every new line. Like so. Click on save. Go back to the website. Okay, so now we have the widgets here. Product categories, cart, filter by price, products. We also have these widgets in the footer and the menu. To change the color of the footer, we go to customize. Choose footer, background color. We want to have this black, like that. Choose text color. We want to have white. Choose heading color. We want to have white. Link color. We want to have blue. Like that. Click on save and publish. Click on X. Okay, so this is how you change these colors. Read more, add to cart, select options, how to add widgets in the sidebar, and how to add widgets in the footer. Up next, we are going to install a plugin for the top bar. Then we will add some social media in the top bar and in the footer. In this WooCommerce tutorial part 6, we will learn how you can install a new plugin, top bar. And in this top bar we will add social media. We will also add social media in the footer. So first we will go to dashboard, go down to plugins, click on add new. Go to the search bar, type in Storefront top bar, click enter. Go to Storefront top bar, click on install now. Choose activate plugin. Go to add new. Go to the search bar, type in Access Press social icons, click enter. Go to Access Press social icons, click on install now. Choose activate plugin. Go down to Access Press social icons, click on add new set. So this one will end up in the top bar. So name this top bar icons. Choose from available themes. You can choose one of these. We want to have this one. And here we go and add our social media. We will have Facebook. So first we want to add a title, Facebook. Choose the size of the icons. I want to have 16. Add your Facebook profile link. Like that. Go down and choose the other ones. We want to have Instagram. Do the same thing. Choose the same size on everyone. Add a link. Then you want to have a Twitter. Do the same thing. Same size, 16 times 16. Enter the Twitter URL. Like that. And here you can choose if the link will open in a new window or in the same window. We want to have in the new window. And here you can choose if you want to have this horizontal or vertical, number of rows, margin between each icons, tooltip show or don't show. I will set don't show. Icons, hover, animation. You can choose one of these. I will choose no animation. Then go to save icon set. Then you can add a new one for the footer. Just do the same thing. Okay, so now I have set up the footer icons as well. This one you can make bigger, like 32 times 32. Then we go to appearance, go to widgets, choose Access Press social media. Go to top bar 2 or 1, you can check yourself. We will add top bar 2, click on add widget. Choose the set, top bar icons. You can also set the title if you want. I will not. Click on save. Then go to Access Press social icons. Choose one of these, footer 1, 2, 3 or 4. I will choose 4. Click on add widget. Choose the set. We want to have these footer icons. Click on save. Go back to the website. Okay, so now we have the social media in the top bar. You can also change the background. To do this, go to Customize, go to Top Bar, choose background color. We want to have black. You can also choose text color and link color. Mobile display, show or hide. Click on Save and Publish. Click on X. If we go down, you will find our social media in the footer as well. If we click on one of these, we will come to my Twitter. Okay, so this is how you install a Top Bar plugin. Also how you add your social media with the plugin called AccessPress Social Icon. Up next, we will set the shop page as a static page. We will also edit the contact page with a contact form. In this WooCommerce tutorial, part 7, we will learn how you can make the shop page to a static page, and also how we can add contact information and a contact form. So first we're going to create the shop to a static page. Then we go to admin panel, go down to settings, choose reading. And here, front page displays, you go to a static page, choose the front page. We want to have the shop as the static page. And we will also have a blog on this WooCommerce store, so we will choose the blog page. Click on Save Changes. Okay, so now we are going to edit the contact page. Then we will need to have a plugin, so go to Plugin, click on Add New. Search for Contact Form 7. And choose this one. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate Plugin. Go to this Contact Form plugin. Choose Contact Forms. Okay, so this contact form already comes with a contact form that is set up, so we can just go and click on Edit. And in this contact form, your customers can add their name, their email, a subject, and a message. You can also add one of these: phone number, date, text area, drop-down menu. Okay, so then we go to Mail. And here you will enter your mail, where you want to have the contact form information. And then go down to Save. And Messages. And here under Messages you can change some text, but this is not necessary. You can also go to Additional Settings. And this is for a more advanced contact form, so we will not go into that. Then we will take this one, this shortcode, copy this, then go to Pages, choose the contact page, click on Edit, Make sure that you are in the text mode and paste the shortcode like that. And now we can add an image. Insert into page. Choose visual. We can have this in the center. Then we want to have a headline. Contact us. Also have this in the center. You can also have some text about you. Like that. Okay. Then we will click on update. Go back to the website. Click on contact. Okay, so now we have the image, we have a headline, we have the text, and also a contact form. So they can type in their name, their email, subject, and message, and click on send. And this will come to the email that you choose in the settings. And also we can check the shop. As you can see, now the shop page is a static page. And also the blog page will show your latest post. Okay, so this is how you make your shop to be a static page, and also how you edit your contact page with image, headline, text, and a contact form. Up next, we're going to set up a post for the blog. Okay everyone, so in this WooCommerce tutorial, part 8, we will learn how you can add a post to your blog, this one. So we're going to go to the blog, and here you can see the example post. So we want to add one of these. To do this, go up to New, choose Post, or you can go to Admin Panel, go to Post, choose Add New. Okay, so first we want to add a title. Health by Nature. Okay. And now we want to add headline number 1. How to have great skin. Okay. So to make this a headline number 1, we just mark it like this. Go to paragraph, choose heading 1. Okay. Now we want to add some text. Like that. I'm just gonna add an example text. Okay, like that. And you can also make the text bold. Then you mark it and choose this one, bold. You can make the text italic. Just mark the text and click on italic. So as you can see, you have a lot of settings here. You can make a bullet list like this. Okay, so when you're done, if you don't want this last one, just delete it. and you can make a numbers list and so on. If you want to change the text position, just mark the text and you can choose align left, align center, align right. So I want to have align left. You can also insert a link. So mark the text like this, click on insert edit link. Now you type in a URL. Like that. And choose if you want to have it open in a new window or in the same window. So we want to have this in the new window. Click on add link. So now we have a link in the text. Let's insert an image. Click to the left of the text at the top. Choose add media. Choose the image you want. So I want this one. Make sure that you have a title and the alt text right here that describes what's on the image. This will help you in the Google searches. Then click on insert into post. Okay, so now we can change where we want to have the image. Just click on the image. You can choose to have it to the right, like that, to the center, like that, or to the left, like that. Okay, so I want to have this to the right. You can also change the size of the image. Just hold the marker over one of the corners and drag it into the center like that, or drag it out like that. Okay, so when you are satisfied, just release the marker. And now we want to have a headline number 2. Like that. Just mark the text and choose paragraph heading 2. Just add some text. And we can add an image here as well. Click on add media. We want to have this one. Make sure that you have the right alt text and title. Click on insert into post. And we will have this to the right. Okay, so this is how you add headlines, images and text and some other settings like a bullet list. You can also play around, change colors, make underline, block quote and so on. So now we want to add a category if you don't have one, but we have one here. But if you want to add another one, add new category, choose face beauty, something like that. Okay, then click on add new category. Okay, so now we have face beauty and oils. Then we can go down and add a tagline. So jojoba oil like that, and click on add. And now we can add a featured image. Choose the one you want. We want to have this one. Click on set featured image. Okay, so now we have the featured image in place. Now we can go and publish. Go back to the website. Go to blog. Okay, so now we have the new blog post in place. We have the featured image. We have a headline, images, text, a link to a website. If you click that, we will come to the link that we put in. Okay, so now we enter another website. So if you want to get rid of this example post, just go to dashboard, choose post, all posts, go to hello world and click on trash. And now we want to add this one latest post in the sidebar and in the footer. So to do this, go to appearance, click on widgets, choose recent post, click on sidebar, add widget, name a title, latest post, we can have 5, and if you want display post date, click on save, and you can change the place. We can have this at the top like that, and let's add in the footer as well. So click on recent post, choose the footer, click on add widget, add a title, and display post date. Choose save. Okay, so let's go back to the website. Okay, so now we have the latest posts in the sidebar right here and in the footer right here. And if you go to the blog, the example post is gone. Okay, so this is how you add a post into your blog and how you add your latest post in the sidebar and to the footer. Up next, we're going to have a look at the tax options. Hi everyone and welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial part 9. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can set up your taxes in your WooCommerce setting. So go to your dashboard, go down to WooCommerce, choose settings. Okay, so go up to tax. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up tax options, also how to set up standard rates. And if you learn how to set up standard rates, you can also use this one, reduced rate and zero rate. Okay, so first we want to set up tax options. The first one we have is enable taxes. So you need to check this one to enable taxes and tax calculations. If you don't do this, you don't have to bother about the rest of the settings. So this is important. Next we have prices entered with tax. If you check this one, this will include the taxes onto your product. And if you check this one, this will exclude the taxes on your product. So in this case, we want to include tax. Next, we have calculate tax based on. You can choose if you want to calculate the customer shipping address, customer billing address, or shop base address. So in this case, we want to have customer shipping address. And next, we have shipping tax class. So we're going to use the standard rate. And up next we have rounding. So this is how you want to round the tax. You can choose if you want to have the subtotal or if you want to have it per line. So in this case we want to have the subtotal. Then we have additional tax classes. If you don't have this reduced rate, you don't have to bother about this, or zero rate, you will only use standard rate. But if you want to do this, you have to put these one as well. And then we go down to display prices in the shop. So we can choose including tax or excluding tax. In this case, we want to have including tax, or how you want to display prices during cart and checkout. We also want to choose including tax. Then we have price display suffix. This is the text after the price. So if you hold your mouse over the question mark, you can see that you can include inc VAT after the price, or you can choose this shortcode price including tax. So if we add this shortcode price underscore including underscore tax like that, this will show price including tax after the price. Okay, so then we go to display tax totals. How do you want to display the tax? So you can choose to have as a single total or itemized. So in this case we want to have as a single total. Then we choose save changes. Okay, so this is how you set up the tax options. Now we want to go to standard rates. Okay, so in standard rates we want to add how much your customers will pay in tax. Depends on what country they are in and which state. So to do this, click on Insert Row. And now we want to add a country code. So if you click on this country code, you will come to this list. It will show all of the countries' country codes. So we want to use United States. So this one, United States of America. We can see that it's US. So go back to the website and click US like that. And if you want to sell to the whole world, you just leave it blank. So in this one, you want to add a state code. So this is 2 digits. If you know the state like Alabama, you just type in AL. If you want to sell to whole United States, you leave it blank. And now we want to add zip postcode. If you want to sell to everyone, just leave it blank, or you can type in a zip code, maybe from 2000 to 3000, like that. You can choose to add a city, or leave it blank to sell to every city. So in this case, we will leave it blank to sell to everyone in Alabama. And now we want to add a tax rate. So in this case, we have 7%. So type in 7.000. So now we have 7%. And now we want to name the tax, so just type in sales tax like that. And then we have priority, and this is if you have multiple Alabama tax rates. So if you don't have that, you can just leave it as 1. And then we have compound rate. So if this rate is compound, this will apply on top of all prior taxes. So if you want to use this, just check this box, but I will leave this unboxed. Then we have shipping. If this rate also applies to shipping, check this box. Okay. And after that, we click on Save Changes. Okay, so this is how you set up standard tax rates. You can do the same thing in reduced rate rates and the zero rate rates. Okay, so I hope this helped. This is how you set up WooCommerce tax options and how you set up standard rates. And you will do the same thing at reduced rate and zero rate. Hi everyone and welcome to this WooCommerce tutorial part 10. In this tutorial we will learn how you can set up payment with PayPal. So to do this, go to your dashboard, go down to WooCommerce, click on Settings, go to Checkout and choose PayPal. Okay, so first we're gonna enable PayPal standard. Then you can choose a title, so I will choose PayPal. And this is a description for the payment. You will also have to add your PayPal account email. Like that. If you want to test the payments before you go live, you can check Enable PayPal Sandbox. You can also enable logging on PayPal events, PayPal payments. Okay, so then we have advanced options. Add your email. Okay, so then we want to have a PayPal identity token. So to get this, you go to Profile, Profile Settings, My Selling Tools, Website Preferences. Okay, then we go to our PayPal. Go to your PayPal settings. Choose My Selling Tools. Find Website Preferences. Click on Update. So then we want to have this auto return on. You want to add a return URL, your website URL. Go to Payment Data Transfer. Choose on, and under here you find identity token. Just copy the identity token and go down. You can choose if you want to have this on or off. I will choose off. And PayPal account optional, you can choose on and off. I will choose on. And if you want to have contact telephone number, so I will choose off. PayPal recommends these options. Express checkout settings, I will choose no, then click on save. Okay, so then we go back to the website and paste the identity token. Then we go to invoice prefix. So this one, if you have multiple WooCommerce shops, so you will add a unique invoice prefix. PayPal will not allow the same invoice from two different web shops. Then we can go down, you can check this if you want, send the shipping details to PayPal instead of billing, enable address override, payment actions if you want to capture the payment or just authorize it, and page style if you want to add a page style, API credentials if you want to process refunds through PayPal. You have to enter username, password and signature. And if you want to do this, you can go to this link, just follow the steps and go back and fill in the username, password and signature. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so this is how you set up your PayPal standard payments. This is the last thing. This is the last thing in this WooCommerce tutorial. Now we can go to Dashboard. And if you haven't done this already, you can enable your site. So just click on here. Okay, congratulations, your site is now live. Click here to view it. Okay, so the site is live. I hope you enjoyed this WooCommerce tutorial. I hope you successfully build your own e-commerce store. For more of my tutorials, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Okay everyone, I hope this helped. Please subscribe, leave a comment, make a thumbs up. You can also go to our premium support forum at UploadWP.com, and we will see you in the next tutorial. So have a great day, and goodbye.